welding a cast aluminum elbow to a turbo housing. This is all clean, ready to go. 170 amps. If I need more, I'll give it more. But actually, let me get some other gloves. Now I'm going to preheat this with the torch for like 30 seconds. Just to take, the shock or the moisture out of the metal. This is a great example of it. It's already starting to have moisture up now. Keep an eye out on the joint right here. See all the water, all the moisture out of it. So that's what I'm trying to get rid of. That's it. Nothing major. And we'll get to welding. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish the rest of this and we'll be all done. And casting doesn't really weld too good, so it's not gonna be the best thing to look at, but good enough with the girls we were. Let's see if we can get this open enough to fit. Whew. Just barely. All right. I'm gonna have to do this one standing up. I bumped up the amperage to around 205. I need a little more heat. Holding. Just keep going around. That's getting full penetration. About 2 more welds to go. Yeah, it's got full penetration on it, which I'm pretty surprised with. I still have like 20 amps to go. If I wanted to, I could use some helium, but it's working. Sir, we're done. Let's see if I can show you guys some of the finished product. It's still really hot, but that's where I ended. And that's just all the way around. It's a lot better than what it was. Yeah, I'll show you guys a picture of what elbow I took off of it. I think it's in the trunk somewhere. So this is the elbow I took off of it right here. Now I don't know what that is, but yep. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.